And welcome back to this 2016 SnoPro Hybrid trailer. And last time we were pulling out all of the glides and track mats and everything, give it a good power washing. I noticed over in that corner that there was a little bit of rot, a little soft spot over there. And digging into it, it's pretty flaky. It's gone right through. So I think the plan is to probably replace at least that portion. Pulled off the sideboards, kickboards, whatever you call these. But we'll pull the rest of them off, and yeah, I think we'll just probably replace all the decking. The rest of it's in pretty good shape, but we did cut the tracks, so I think I'll leave the back deck, the ramp alone, and we'll deal with that later. But let's get going. Got some rusted screws, kind of tough to get out. One there and there, and probably all along the front. They're probably all in the same boat. Tried to already take it out with the impact driver. It just spun. So I'm gonna hit them with some PB Blaster and let them sit, and then we'll see if they want to come out after that. If not, we'll just cut the floor because we're not going to reuse this flooring. So see what happens. So I was able to get that one out. That one's still in there. I just took the board, and we'll cut that off flush with the frame. Other ones, some of them came out. That one's still in there. That one came out. That one came out. And the one in the corner is stripped. Okay, got all the decking up. There's only a couple of screws that were rusted and we had to cut off, but that wasn't too bad. So the next step is going to get the pressure washer out and clean up this deck. There's some caulking around the perimeter and quite a bit of dirt, and we'll get that all cleaned up, and then we'll let it dry, and then we can start putting down the new decking. All right, we got it all power washed. Wasn't too bad, just a little bit of surface dirt, dust. Let this all dry, and then we'll come back and we'll start laying in our deck boards. We'll start up in the front corner there, and I think we'll go across the front, and then we'll do two sides, and we'll do the middle last. All right, we got all the floor panels cut. Everything fits great. The tracks are in, and I think we're ready to screw them down. It's all screwed down. I think it looks pretty good. The next step will be to prime and paint, but that'll be in the next video.